Hey everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today, I want to show you how you can take a simple text prompt and transform it into a fully carved, high-detail 3D relief on your CNC router in just a few minutes. We're going to walk through the complete process step by step. First, generating a customized grayscale depth map using AI, converting it into a clean 3D STL file on Sculpting, and then importing it straight into VCarve Pro to set up our roughing, finishing, and cutout toolpaths. Let's dive right in and get started. First step, creating our source image. For a successful 3D conversion, your grayscale image needs high contrast, clear separation between foreground and background, and balanced lighting. White areas will represent high points, while dark areas translate to deeper depths. Using Gemini to create this image with this prompt, 3D bas-relief model a military patriotic theme inside a rectangular frame border. In the foreground on the left, a U.S. soldier in tactical gear, combat helmet, and vest holding an assault rifle across his chest. On the right, a stealth fighter jet F-35, flying forward with landing gear extended. In the background, a realistic waving American flag with stars and stripes filling the frame. Monochromatic grayscale, ZBrush digital sculpture style, clean depth mapping, high detail relief carving, STL model format style. Uniform studio lighting, smooth clay rendering. Now that we have our grayscale render, we'll head over to Sculpting to convert this 2D depth map into a 3D model mesh. Head over to AI tools called Sculpting on the sidebar and select AI depth map. Upload our newly generated image. Click HD restoration and hit fix to sharpen up any soft edges. Select the color/drawing options and click draw to generate our initial 3D mesh previews.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Look over the generated options and pick the one with the best height definition. Remove watermark if you subscribed. Over on the right panel, tweak the thickness, model scaling, and intensity weight sliders until the image features pop cleanly without distortion. Once it looks great in the 3D preview, click Download to export your model as an STL file. Now let's switch over to VCarve Pro or Aspire if you're using that. Job setup. Set your job dimensions. Say 8-inch in height, 14 width, and 0.75 thickness. Make sure to set your modeling resolution to very high so we don't lose any of that fine AI texture. Go to Import 3D Component. Select your STL file and switch to the front orientation view. Match the Y-axis height to your job space and center the model. Use the height slider to lower the model base slightly below the modeling plane. Import the model.
I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
Create a vector boundary around it and insert a zero plane component to fill in any empty background gaps smoothly. Now for the fun part, generating our G-code. Check your material settings and drop the model height down slightly below the material surface to prevent flat spots if your stock isn't perfectly flat. Now let's create the roughing toolpath. Select the boundary vector. Pick a 0.25-inch end mill. Set a 0.1 boundary offset and calculate a Z-level roughing pass to clear away the bulk wood. Now the 3D finishing toolpath. Select a 1/16 tapered ball nose bit inside the same boundary vector. When we preview, you can see all the intricate details come to life now.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head.
Now the profile cutout toolpath. Select the outer vector frame. Choose a 0.25-inch downcut end mill. Set the cut depth to the full material thickness and add holding tabs to keep the finished piece safe.
I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me.
Look at that finished render. In just a few quick steps, we went from a text idea to a fully prepped 3D relief model ready for the CNC machine. You can use this exact workflow for portraits, heraldry, wildlife scenes, or custom signs. Give it a try on your next project. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, hit subscribe for more CNC guides,